Get off your phone! I'm not going to tell you to do that, but are you ready to see how you could make a few changes with your phone usage so you can significantly change your posture? That and more coming up to help you fix your slouching posture with some surprisingly easy hacks that you could be making right now. Your bad posture can seriously affect your health, your self-image, your confidence, and your mood. So if you're looking to improve yours, here are some clever tricks to try throughout your day to fix your slouching posture. I will start with some of the most common lifestyle mistakes and then move on to some of the easiest and most impactful movements in exercises that you can perform throughout the day. Ready? I'm Parmita, your friend and self-image coach. Follow me for #PowerOfBecoming. Build your authority and your influence by confidence transformation in your beauty, style, and personal brand. I can share my proven ways to improve your perceived value. If that sounds good, then hit that subscribe button and let's begin by understanding and accepting that you are addicted to being on your phone. But being on your phone for endless hours with this posture is impacting multiple factors that are responsible for your overall posture. It is giving you that text neck. It is changing your facial posture, giving you that double chin, and then constantly pushing down on that double chin turns into permanent folds and creases. It also starts to shorten the front neck muscles and elongates your back neck muscles. Your shoulders curl in and your back curved, almost hunched. Notice how your torso appears shortened and your pelvic area tilts forward. If that information was eye-opener, then subscribe to my channel for more such videos. That will help you become more aware of how you can reshape your life and reinvent a better version of you. Okay, like I said, it's easy to say, get off your phone. I'm not going to tell you not to be on your phone, but if you become aware of what all you use your phone for and how you could make a few changes to your phone usage and when, then you can significantly change your posture just with this one tip. So listen to this carefully and start making a note of what do you typically use your phone for. Reading or responding to work emails, scrolling through social media, reading blogs and books, watching YouTube videos or news, listening to podcasts or music, editing videos or photos. Save any kind of reading for when you're seated and preferably leave your phone leaning against something like a small phone stand. I have one like this or like this around my whole house. And there's also one attached to my laptop. So pretty much wherever I go, instead of holding the phone in my hand, I just stick it on top of my laptop. A stand like this or like this one are perfect for recording quick videos or for FaceTime. I also use magnetic tripods around my work area. So I avoid holding phone in my hand as much as possible. It also kind of keeps me off the phone for some time. These kind of solutions completely avoid unnecessary body posture. I will link some of these in the description below. If you're on the move or if you're on a treadmill or you're walking, avoid using phone for anything that demands your visual attention. Do not edit a video or photos or play games on the move. Instead of a YouTube video that needs your visual attention and your eyeballs into the phone, play one that you can just listen to. Or I would even suggest that you create a playlist for this purpose on your YouTube. You also have the option to listen to a podcast or some music. Listen to an audiobook versus actually reading a book or a blog. If you must read an email, then select the whole email and then put it on text-to-speech mode so you can listen to the whole content instead of reading while walking. And if you must respond to an email or a text, then just voice type a response instead of physically typing out your messages, because that will again bring you back to this posture. Tell me something, does this reading position look familiar to you? It has become one of the most common reasons for destroying your back, your neck, and your face posture. Just become more aware of holding your phone at your eye level versus right under your chin. Instead of curling your back and holding your phone in this position, place your elbows on your knees, to keep your phone almost at eye level and not as close to your eyes as it is in this position. A little later in this video, I'm going to tell you a mistake that pretty much all of you are making with your phones that is impacting your posture and your face shape and your face symmetry too. This is a very interesting video. I want you to watch it till the end. These simple lifestyle changes around your phone usage are as helpful as the amazing exercises that I'm about to show you. Do these posture correcting exercises right now, wherever you are, and you may be able to see an instant change in your posture from your head to neck to your shoulders, your back, and in your face. If you're at work, then take a break between your work, and I suggest you do it regularly to perform some of the following stretches and exercises I'm recommending. Grab a golf ball and roll this golf ball on your chest between your shoulder and collarbone to open up your shoulders. Just press it a little bit, feel the pressure, relax the muscle as you rotate it in this area. So you'll notice that because of wrong posture, this muscle here starts to shorten and tighten. Relax that whole area, loosen up those stiff, tight muscles here. And slowly you'll notice that it helps you open up your shoulders for a long time, not just temporarily. It's very easy to temporarily just hold it up for some time, but the idea is that this should start becoming your natural posture. Perform on the other side as well. And let me know in the comments below, when you start to feel that the muscles here relax, are you able to open and maintain a better posture now? The next exercise for you is chin ups. This stretch helps you elongate your platysma muscle, that is the muscle between your chin all the way up to your neck and chest. This whole muscle between your chin and neck starts to shorten and tighten, which starts to drag your lip corners down as well and also impacts your posture on the whole. So imagine where your posture could look like this with the same face, actually starts to look like this. While performing this exercise, jutting your chin forward and tilting your head slightly upward, not up all the way there, just upward slightly. Now place the tip of your tongue up against the roof of your mouth. You've done my mewing exercise, right? Watch that video, I will link it up here. Now gradually increase the pressure of your tongue while holding your thumbs firmly against the muscle. You will start to feel it in this whole area. Hold this for anywhere between 10 to 15 seconds, release and perform it again, at least for 4 to 5 counts. Tell me, wouldn't you start feeling better when that jawline that's right now hiding between those folds and that double chin appearance can actually start showing up? Because I'm pretty confident that some of you actually have a good jawline. You don't have double chin. It's just the posture that's creating that appearance or that illusion of double chin. Just like this exercise, my Queen Neck Face Yoga program has a set of phenomenal face exercises and massage techniques if you want to change multiple factors that age your neck, like the ones you're seeing on screen right now. Your necklines, your exaggerated double chin, turkey neck, skin thinning on your neck, short neck, neck posture, wide neck, discoloration on your neck. I have many other face yoga courses for different aging concerns, but I especially do not want you to miss this 21-day face yoga beginners course that I have launched recently. So make sure you check out both the Queen Neck program and the 21-day face yoga for beginners course. This exercise or the stretch is something you should be able to perform every time you get up from your chair for any break. Perform this stretch in the doorways. The stretch between the doorway opens your chest and it strengthens your shoulders. So do this. Stand in a doorway with your elbows and your arms forming 90 degrees or somewhere around here. Step your one foot forward and press both your palms onto the sides of the doorway, the door frame, or the walls. Now, when you're doing this, try to lean forward, push yourself slightly ahead and engage your core. Make sure you're feeling the contraction in your chest and in your back muscles. Hold this position for up to 30 seconds and release. One, I want you to stand tall. Now bring your arms at 90-degree position and open them apart, wide apart, towards the wall behind you, and push them as much as you can. And hold this posture for 30 seconds or up to a minute. Do this at least 2 to 3 times a day. So your hands are not here, push them back. Here is the change that you need to make in your toilet. And the phone is back. Most people with their phones land up sitting in this posture, where you're hunching over and resting your head weight on your hand, like this or like this, while you're scrolling through social media. Not only is this bad for your posture, but you're constantly tugging and contorting and distorting your facial skin for that long. It is also ruining your facial symmetry and causing skin thinning on one side of your face. You will see it. You will start to notice that the skin on that side, wherever you're used to resting your head weight and your skin tugging on, will tend to sag faster. In general, phone or no phone, most people tend to hunch over during their bowel movement, which hinders the blood flow to the nerves in your pelvis. But once you have that phone in your hand, have you realized that on an average, you end up spending almost twice the amount of time than you need to spend in that restroom? Sitting in the same position for that long can cause nerves or blood vessels to be compressed. Unfortunately, once you go in with your phone, notice that this happens every day to you, and yet you do not stop doing it. You still go into that restroom with that phone. Tell me if I'm right if I'm suggesting that this topic needs a video of its own, and I've created just that for you. So I will link it up here for you, so do watch it in my series of posture correction. I recently made a season about face yoga for face shape with different episodes that help you maintain better face shape. And now in this season, we will talk about posture. So let me know if creating these seasons is helping you understand the issue or any particular issue in depth and start to make those changes through your lifestyle, suggestion of facial exercises, massage routine, skincare routine on that one particular topic. Please suggest what do you want me to add to this posture series. Do you want to see more workout videos from me? I look forward to all your suggestions in the comments below. If you think this channel adds value to your life, then consider supporting this channel by not only contributing a small amount towards helping me make better videos for you, but also by becoming a part of this closer community when you join this channel membership. If you want to join my next live stream, then that's only for members. Make sure you click that join membership button and select the level that you're comfortable with. If you hit that subscribe button, you are welcome to watch all my videos and transform your self-image. Hitting that little bell next to the subscribe button will make sure that you get an alert every time I post a new video and you don't miss it. Hit that like button and make sure you share a tip that you related to the most in this video. Why do I feel it is the toilet sitting position? Or it could even be walking with phone addiction. For my one-on-one coaching program, fill out a short form on my website and my team will schedule a complimentary discovery call to share details of how you could set up these customized training sessions with me. Do follow me on all my social media platforms for some exciting short-form content. These give you daily self-reminders to keep up with your self-transformation. I will see you next week with yet another exciting video. Until then, blush with me.